Hi folks, RDavid here with Bent and Twisted. Let's make a capital letter R. Start by spiraling the wire in just like you would any capital. Round nose pliers. Make it nice and tight. Switch over to your chain nose pliers and go up about 3/4 of an inch and fold that wire back into the left. Same wire, using your hand wire, fold it forward and give it a little crimp right there. Then go behind it and hold the two together. Put the upper bout on the R, but first give it a bias with your fingers so that it gives it a nicer curve. At this point, if you have a set of smaller round nose pliers, it's a good place to put a little swoop. It makes for a prettier letter R. Go in tight, swoop it around, and work the letter R's leg down. And then switch back to your chain nose pliers. Fold it up and behind, getting ready to make the next portion or the next letter. Also put a dog leg on the bottom of that. It'll make it a little bit more attractive. If you'd like to see more of these or order a name from me, swipe left and check out my Etsy page.